1 students, I'm going to do a demonstration of exercise 5-2, which is a problem that I ask you to do. It is journalizing perpetual inventory entries. So we'll just go ahead and get started. It asks us to journalize these entries of Office Depot. On September the 6th, purchased calculators from Abacus Company at a total cost of $1,650, terms net 30. So in this case, it's going to increase our inventory plus our accounts payable, which are things that we owe. I'll go ahead and write the date. It was September the 6th. And it increased our inventory. And then also our accounts payable. And that will increase with the credit. Okay, I'm going to wonder why it's not giving me the two things. Oh. I'll make it accounting. There we go. I thought I'd made it accounting before, but hadn't. On the 9th, paid freight of $50 on calculators purchased from Abacus Company. In this case, remember we talked about that we will charge our inventory for this because we were the buyers. Our inventory will be debited for 50 and cash credit for 50. On the 10th, return calculators to Abacus Company for $66 credit because they did not meet specifications. On this one, we don't owe as much money as we had before, and it also takes away from our inventory. So on the 10th, we will debit accounts payable to reduce our debt. 66, wasn't it? And we will credit inventory because we have less inventory. On the 12th, sold calculators costing $520 for $690 to Union Bookstore, terms net 30. Okay, so we sold this merchandise to somebody else, so we did it on account. We will debit accounts receivable because we'll receive this money later on, and we have our sales revenue is going to be our credit for the first transaction. We'll do the $690. Okay, for some reason it's showing up currency. I'm going to change it up here to accounting so it'll look like the others. And then we also have to record on here the fact that it's coming out of our inventory. So we'll put cost of goods sold, and how much it cost us was $520, and then take it out of our inventory. On the 14th, granted credit of $45 to Union Bookstore for the return of one calculator that was not ordered. The calculator cost $35. Okay, so on this date, on the 14th, when we granted credit, we are going to be using the sales returns and allowance account and then taking it out of our accounts receivable. That was $45. And then we also need to record the inventory. The cost of it was what it cost us in inventory. It's $34. All right, and on the 20th, sold calculators costing $570 for $760 to Commons Card Shop. Terms net 30. So again, this is going to be on account so it'll be accounts receivable, and our sales revenue will be credited. $760. And our sales revenue will be credited for $760. And then we also have to record taking it out of our inventory. And that cost was $570. I thought it would get it. Okay, so those are the transactions for exercise 5-2, which is the journalizing perpetual inventory entries. I hope it helps you.